Oh, one more unsubscribe. That's 10k. You're here with 10k. Woohoo. That's the first achievement for me on YouTube. I'm really happy. Let's see how it goes. ఈ vlog చేయడానికి చాలా డేస్ నుంచి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా. I've been waiting from so long to make this vlog that I hit 10,000 subscribers and here it is. Very happy. I was actually waiting for this moment. 9,999 subscribers. Let's see when will I be reaching 10,000 subscribers. $9,999 subscribers. Come on. Oh, one more unsubscribe. $9,999, 98, 9,999. One subscriber. Come on. Subscriber. One more subscriber to hit the 10k. One more subscriber to hit the 10k. 9,999. I need to take this as a screenshot actually. I've been waiting for this moment. 99. One more subscriber please. That's 10k. You're here with 10k. Woohoo. That's the first achievement for me on YouTube. I'm really happy. Let's see how it goes. This is the first milestone. This is the first milestone of mine. 10,000 subscribers. Let's see if I'll hit 100,000 and maybe 1 million one day. I'm very excited. Mast happy unna. First milestone 1,000 subscribers appudu koddiga happy unna. 10,000 subscribers matram mast happy unna. Mast reach 100,000 mast happy unna. ఈ vlog చేయడానికి చాలా డేస్ నుంచి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా. I've been waiting from so long to make this vlog that I hit 10,000 subscribers and here it is. Very happy. So this is the point where I'm ending my vlog for today. One more subscriber. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for helping me out. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and making me grow big. Really appreciate it. I will read all your comments. I'll be responding to all your comments. I'll be making videos according to your comments. I've been seeing few comments like make a video on skincare routine, make a video of your day, one more day in your life, like day in your life as in doctor or whatever I do. So I definitely kept in my mind. I'll be doing that. 10,000 too. It's going good. Okay, so I'll be making a skincare routine. I'll be making one more thing is home tour. People been asking for my home tour, so I said like this is my apartment, not like my actual home. I will do that in my home in Koda, and also a day in my life. Definitely gonna do. Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers.